Assalamu alaikum, my name is Fatima and I'm back with a very easy and quick recipe. It's called chicken cheesy bites, and let's get making. The ingredients that we will be needing is going to be 1 cup minced chicken, 1 cup shredded cheese, 1 cup tempura powder, it's available everywhere, half cup water, black pepper, salt and vinegar, soya sauce, sorry, and these 3 things are going to be according to your flavor. So we're going to start the procedure. Take your tempura powder, put it in a bowl, and we're going to make a paste out of it first. 1 cup tempura powder, and put the water in. Make a thick paste out of it, not very liquidy. Make sure it becomes a thick paste, no lumps into it. Mix it well. The powder is ready now. Next, we're gonna put the 1 cup minced chicken into it. Put it in. Okay. Then put the cheese, 1 cup shredded cheese. Now mix it. Mix it well. You can add more cheese if you like it more cheesy. Okay. Now for the flavors, it's going to be according to your taste. I'm going to put just 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 pinch of salt, because already there is salt in the cheese, so you don't want it to be too much salty, and 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Now mix it. After mixing it, we're going to leave it for 30 minutes. 30 to 1 hour is good enough, so it gets marinated. Okay, this is done. The mixture is ready. We're going to keep it for 30 minutes to 1 hour, so it gets, it's mixed and gets marinated. Okay guys, we are back and we have given it, a good 30 minutes for the marination. As you can see, it's firm, and now we're going to fry it. My oil is heated. I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to take small bites. Because they will fluff up, so just take small bites. As they get golden brown, they're ready to be taken out. As they turn out brown, just take them out because you don't want them to get burned. Okay, so our chicken cheesy bites are ready. It's a quick and easy recipe. Your kids are going to enjoy it, and do try it out and do tell us in the comment below and enjoy.